Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a review video for you guys. If you check out my channel and my older videos, you see that I used to do a lot of hair reviews and you guys really enjoyed those videos, so I definitely wanted to bring those back. And happy New Year's guys. I have not seen you guys since last year, and don't worry, I have lots of videos coming for you guys. So let's get into this review. So I was contacted by SUNBER Hair to do a review for them. I am wearing their Brazilian natural black hair. I have a 14-inch closure, 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles. And I am wearing, I'm not wearing all 3 bundles. I have like a little piece of hair left. But I did do a professional install. So basically I have the closure and all the bundles, and then I just put some curls, some loose curls in there. So let's get into the review. So I've pretty much been wearing this hair now, I believe, for almost 2 weeks, and so far I absolutely love the hair. The shedding is minimum. Honestly, I do not get any shed-ins. I don't get any snags or anything. The hair is super soft, and as you can see, the hair holds a curl. I just literally use my straightener and just put in some loose curls, and it holds a curl really well. She sewed in the bundles on a cap, and it lays very nicely. I can show you guys a 360 of what 20 inches look like, and this is not all the bundles, and it's pretty thick, and the wefts were really good conditions. They did not have any beards or anything like that. So this is how long 20 inches is. It's pretty long, and mind you, there are some curls in the hair as well. So far I am absolutely loving this hair. I definitely would recommend it for somebody that is looking for affordable and great quality hair. Definitely, this is all my opinion. There no bias whatsoever in this. I absolutely love the hair, and I would definitely recommend it. So out of 10, I would definitely give this hair a 10 out of 10 just for the price point and the quality of the hair. It's really amazing. Even my mom was saying how amazing the hair looks, and my hairstylist said it's really good quality hair, and she's gonna order some. So I definitely would recommend SUNBER Hair. They have a Amazon store, and I will link everything down below that you guys can check out the hair that I'm wearing, and a link to that, and a link to their store as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, definitely check the description box and definitely leave your comments, and I definitely will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.